Hey Tom, I just wanted to maybe give you a video of that new Purewash adapter so you could take a look. So this is my new adapter. When I go to plug it in, you see it doesn't turn on unless I push it really hard. I have to actually push it and hold it in. You can hear it. I don't know if you can hear it, but once I let go, the dinging like slowly fades away. And then for reference, see if I can do a side by side for you. This is my old adapter. Hold on one second. Let me try to match them up for you here. It's just a hair off, but you can see, I don't know if it's hard to tell on camera. I'll try to take a picture, but one is a little bit longer than the other. So for right now, I've been taking the cover off the Purewash, and then the adapter will stay in, and it appears to be working. All right, hopefully this helps. I'll wait to hear from you. Thanks.